What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is Simu and
This is Talukdar. We are in the Flyovers.
we are at the flyover, and he looks shorter because he walking along with the what? We're walking along with the road, and I am walking with
Just because
I'm
shoot the video, I am walking the main road.
walking at the main road.
I take the risks for you guys. Like, share and subscribe.
I am walking at the sidewalk. This is called sidewalk. How can I show you? At the side you can see a walking place that is called sidewalk, and this is a road, and this is a flyover. We can't say this is a flyover. We can say it is overpass because it is just over the rail line to pass a car over the rail line. Maybe it's made for passing or avoiding the when rail are crossing and anything. There is a rail gate, there is a rail crossing. That time while rail is come here every time, that time having a problem, cars and vehicles are stuck there. That's why they made these things to pass that problem. That is why maybe called that overpass. There is so much vehicle over there. It's a too risky place, and over there is a it's a station road behind us. You're looking at this place. It is called a station road.
I'm just confused. Am I in the video or not?
You are
If you
confused.
eliminate me, I will go.
If you get close enough to car, if you will eliminated by the vehicle,
Eliminated by the from the earth.
from the earth, they will eliminate you from the earth. You see there, this is a station road. You might say why this road calls a station road, because this road leads to a station, rail station. You can say maybe there is a rail station and gate. This gate goes at the station, and this road there is a lots of car over here and lots of shop over here. You can see these all shops are what kind of shop it is? It's stationery or what kind of shop?
Steel, metal,
Steel,
metal, hardware types.
hardware shops. Hardware shops, and they repair different kind of stuff.
Argentina flag.
Oh, there is right there is a Argentina flag. By the way, I am Argentina fan.
This road have a first shop. This is called a Bye Hotel, Bye Restaurant. Here we many times, oftentimes we eat grills. They make very good, delicious chicken, and we love to eat there.
There is a lots of street light, and you can see it is so beautiful here. At the night, you can see it is night light. Along with this road, there is a lots of street light. It's so beautiful to see here, the street light. And this place is so quiet, isn't it? This place is so quiet.
Not that much quiet, but it's just vehicle sounds.
It's just vehicle sound. It is not crowded.
You can call it not crowded, but it's not quiet.
But sound, I like that sound. And this is a good view. This is a beautiful view.
Okay.
You can fix your hair, fix something. You can shoot my video. Do maybe. Am I exposed correctly?
Yeah.
maybe we should stand in front of
Yeah.
it's kind of like learning by doing. I am now speaking and in front of like real life situation, and this is a real kind of talking. There is lots of real thing, and I am explaining real thing. One suggestion I can give you to in order to speak English, that is uh, grammar doesn't help that much in order to speak English. You have to like go outside. Whenever you go outside, you have to recognize something at English. This is a big vehicle. What am I talking about? Like you can go outside, you can recognize anything. Like this is a lamp, this is a car, this is a flyover or anything like that. Don't like that. If you translate in your head, your English will be slower. If you recognize something in English, recognizing something in English, it will be better for you to speak fluently. What kind of thing you will teach? What suggestion do you give to our audience? Like you are studying so much time. You like to be honestly saying, speaking, you are know a very little about grammar and everything, vocabulary, very less vocabulary. But how do you feel after talking so much, only speaking and talking?
From
There
the
is
beginning of
there is two people came
from
forward.
the beginning of speaking, me and my friend Himo, we are start to talking. If we don't start talking, we can't came in this at this point, because I think that if you speak, you need nothing to know. You need nothing to nothing knowledge. If you have zero knowledge, you just talking English, just talking in English, you will be fluent. Now I am see myself. I properly talking. I have done many mistakes from now and other previous videos, but I am fluent.
I want to pause for a minute. Even I know lots of grammar, lots of things, but I made mistakes.
Yeah, it's happened.
I made mistakes. Even at a simple thing, a simple English,
Yeah.
I made mistakes. You can watch, you can see my past video.
Yeah.
We made lots of mistakes. I made also lots of mistakes. Mistakes,
It's happened.
you have to speak.
Mistakes makes perfect, but
Oh.
grammatical parts are.
That is one thing I saw one memes about at Instagram. Practice makes a man perfect. Women are inborn perfect because women are inborn
Always right.
perfect.
Moments are always right.
Always right.
Yeah. If
That
we
is good
talking
one.
about our secret of talking in English, if you know good grammar, if you don't apply it properly, you are nothing to know about grammar.
There is
Don't
no,
apply grammar.
there is no reason to learn
no,
grammar
learn
if you can't speak. You have to speak.
You have to speak and apply grammar on your own talking experiences. You know.
We can go forward
Go there.
and talk. These things you can say a small amount of water. These things you can say puddle. There is a loss, one puddle over there. And this is a railway station. Beautiful railway station. We always like what? We always make video from that side every time we came that place. But now we are at the flyover. This place is so good. The wind came from at the south side of the south side, and this is northern side. This is southern side. This way, and this is east side, and this is west. This place, this building, you see, this is under construction. Under construction means it is being made, or they are making this building, or newly made building. There is a Eastern Plaza. This is a shopping mall. This is a very good and well-renowned shopping mall they made. And this is like older one. This is very old shopping mall and well-renowned in Kumilla. I said to our audience, they can say what need to improve in our video, which things need to improve, what things need to add. If there anything to add, they can just ask us.
Yeah.
And tell us.
Just follow me. How am I?
Give us suggestion.
Yeah.
For our video.
Like
This light maybe turn off few minutes.
no.
Few minutes interval when we are we are entering that place.
Yeah.
This light getting turned off.
The card is beautiful.
Yes. Now it is again turned off. Maybe we can this side. But we can go like this. You can give us a suggestion for making videos.
Yeah.
And that's it for today. We
Okay.
have nothing to say. And please keep support us, keep subscribe us. That will help to make, that will inspire to make more video and more interactive lesson. Or you can't say this is a lesson. You can say fun way to learn English.
Learn English.
I am learning English. I am learning English. We are learning English. And you
people also learning English with us.
with us.
If you join with us.
And you can see our mistakes.
Yeah.
Inspire from us. You can be inspired from us.
Yeah.
Because we are making lots of mistakes. Despite the mistakes, we are still making videos. Thank you so much. Thank you. That is it for today.